Because I know Publix be making all the money, and I heard that they treat their employees good and all that stuff.
Driver make good money.
Huh? They make good money?
Driver make good money. Oh yeah.
Even when you feel low, you can still go. Even when you feel slow, you can still go. Even when there's no hope, you can still go. I never answer to no, man, I still go. Go, 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 yo, go, go, go. Hustle hard, hustle every single day.
Alright, we're here at trying to do a delivery at the Publix. I don't know what's taking these guys so long, so I'm just gonna check out what's going on. Eat the filth. Hey boss, how you doing?
Been waiting long enough. If they get mad, it's on me. I don't mess up. I'll take the blame. I took a half hour break.
Oh, right here?
Yeah. Well, back there, when I started it, it's already up.
Yeah,
man.
That's not bad though. At least you get it out of the way.
My half hour break, it was up before you walked up here.
Oh.
Yeah. At least I don't have to worry about it now.
Yeah, exactly. You just gonna drop this and move out, or?
Yeah, drop it, grab it, hit.
Okay, so everything is good there. I think the security was is kind of new or something, so I guess he was having some delays organizing their paperwork. So that's out of the way. So this guy's next, and then we after. This is our truck right here. Our little city kitty. AC's dripping cold. Look at that AC. Truck is old, but at least the AC is kicking, right? That water right there. Gotta have AC in Florida though. Gotta have AC in Florida. Publix warehouse. So this is what the inside of a Publix warehouse look like, guys. These 57? Alright. You don't like the rear ones, right? You don't like it, right?
No.
Man.
For about 3 years. Yeah, no, I got tired of that.
I hate the ducks, man. I'd rather just go and drive on the road. Yeah. But the warehouse guy here, they get good pay, right?
Warehouse guys? Yeah, well, everybody here pretty much gets paid. But nah, this is a problem. I've been here for a couple years doing the warehouse out here.
Yeah. Because I know Publix is making all the money, and I heard that they treat their employees good and all that stuff.
Driver make good money.
Huh? They make good money?
Driver make good money. Oh yeah. When I first applied for maintenance, I applied for both driver and maintenance.
Yeah.
And I was working at and it's still happening.
Yeah. So if you could go back, you'd have chosen the driving? Or no?
Yeah. Because I had to go back. I had to go back to my house.
I think these two right
I'm gonna take home, man.
here. These two right here. Okay.
It's on top?
Yeah, yeah.
Okay.
The bill says two, but they stack them.
Okay. I'm gonna have to go and get
Yeah, one of those big forks though.
Yeah.
With the long forks, longer forks. Yeah, because it's long.
Okay. All right, man.
Yeah. You hear that, guys? These guys at Publix making good money too on the docks, maintenance, and truck driving too. So, as a truck driver, as a CDL holder, you have a lot of options, man. A lot of good companies are out there, man. There's a lot of good companies out there. XPO, you can try them. You can try Publix. You can try Walmart. There's so much, man. All right, so it's just gonna get one of those forks, those long forks. Here he goes. I've never driven one of these forklifts before.
Yeah,
They're not that bad.
drive, they're alright. They kind of suck.
Oh.
They break all the time.
Oh, really?
That's what we get.
Yeah. This forklift is. Always seeing the guys like a Cheney and all those places. They're being, man, those guys drive hard, man.
Yeah, man. I had to pay it. I just find that work. Focus on wide enough.
Yo.
So yeah, I'm gonna do that work.
All right, cool.
Yeah, thanks.
Oh, guys taking forever, man. Damn. Shoots. Oh, here is it. Here he is. All right, this should do the trick.
Yeah, good.
Yeah, it's wide enough. Touching on the board or something?
Well, somebody who never did their job hit one of the forks, so kind of like this one.
Oh.
So let's see where it's at.
Check and see. It doesn't seem like it's far from. It's far down.
enough.
you going all the way in?
Well, I'm trying to walk it in because, like I said, on the bent, so I'm hitting like the top of the pallet.
Yeah.
So I gotta walk in a little bit. Probably some rolls.
Yep. Yeah, that's good. See if you gotta go to the left a little. Yeah. Yeah. You're good. Just watch the butt there. You're good. Nice and easy. Alright. Now with this weight getting off the truck now, the truck can pick up speed much faster, man. Yeah, and you gotta be careful whenever operating this forklift and moving these pallets, because if they felt like it drop on your foot or something, oh my god, that's nothing good, man.